Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. This is my 2012 damaged Vauxhall Corsa.
I didn't miss it, popping on the premises, ladies, we make her.
Them TNA's tight, I can see that camel. She going low, touching toes, no sandals. Think I'm like the mother guy. No, baby, I'm a bad example. Like too young, just tryna get inside. Make a splash poolside, cause she feel my vibe. I've been staying hella high on the sweeter side. Sipping jollies with my mollies, never salty, no lie.
As you can see, there has been an impact to the front bumper, resulting in the radiator being pushed back in towards the engine. There has also been some damage to the wiring loom. This looks like it connects to the horn, and this wire here that is missing goes towards the fog lights. On this side, the wiring loom is completely being ripped off, so there's nothing on this side, but it looks like it only connects to the fog lights, which I should be able to repair.
If you need my love, call me cause you got my number, girl. Call me if you need my touch. Call me if you want your back, bro.
The good news is, it starts and drives. So first things first, we're going to get these headlights removed, get the grille off, take off the slam panel and the radiator, and then we'll take it from there. Let's do this.
No drop off like precipice. We know it big but no run like refugees. Tough like a stone in a soft like jelly beans. On the edge of she a whine it, whine it. Your good body me balance and align it. I know nothing see me shoes ya shine it. We big you loving in a public or private, so
call me if you need my love. Call me cause you got my number, girl. Call me if you need my touch. Call me if you want your back, bro.
why you need you? Make me hold you tight and squeeze you. Girl, see that, it's sweet you. Say you want me baby.
All these long nights, all these runs feel right. All these long nights, all these runs feel right. I put the on, soon she'll figure like Tommy. Is he pink like Bobby? 647470675. Call me if you need my love. Call me cause you got my number, girl. Call me if you need my time. Call me cause you got my...
Okay guys, so the damaged slam panel and radiator has now been removed. I've got one over here from a breaker for only £60. It's not in the best of condition, but it will do the job. So let's get that installed and take the rest from there. Let's do this.
We're running out of time. I got my mind on my money running through my mind. All I see is dollar signs. I'm on my grind till the morning till the sunrise. Cause I got no time to waste. Only chase a check, y'all, me never chase. Honestly, she went now, you gotta wait. Always so far from home. Feels like I don't know you anymore. No, I don't know. I just got too much going on. To know what's going on with you. She calling I my name. Baby, just be patient with me. She calling I is it worth the pain? I know it hurts to wait on me. I'm just too busy to get busy, baby. I'm just tryna get these lessies lately. I'm just too busy to get busy, baby. Doesn't mean that I don't want you with me. On road, drive these bitches crazy. No wonder that you think I'm shady. Wanna know where I've been lately. On the phone and she says she hate me. Always so far from home. Feels like I don't know you anymore. No, I don't know. I just got too much going on.
Okay, so that's now installed. Let's get on with putting on the bumper, and hopefully that should complete repairing this vehicle.
Baby, just be patient with me. She calling is it worth the pain? I know it hurts to wait.
man. Those you're really getting it real soon.
Goddamn, hit me like hey ram. Yeah, she hit me on the hologram. Hit me like hey ram. Said she wanna do the hair ram, do the hair ram, do the hair ram. Back in the day, said she never wanna run around. Now she like, can I be her hair ram? Hit me like hair ram. Said she wanna do the hair ram, do the hair ram, do the hair ram. Got her at a mommy from Japan. We on Vivan, got her vegan. See me and she waving like hair ram, with the hair ram, with the hair ram, with the hair ram. I can put you on like a gram. Put that riddles on, let me beat it up like yeah again. I can put you on like a gram. Put that sound on, let me beat it up like yeah again. Baby got me spinning like bacon. Baby bang.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Take care.
I'm a bad man, new to the city, call me LA Rams. I couldn't find a weed man on a weekend. Mr. Bean off a bean man, man I'm geeking. Monday after weekend, freaks with the cheeks on my sheets and